Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you that I am participating once again with the DIY Mommy. She's hosting the Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge. In this challenge, she's asking that we DIY a decor for our home. I was inspired by the Pottery glassware that they have, and that's the ruby red. It's not being sold in the e-catalog this year, but they did have it last year, and I really admired it so much that I decided that I would try to replicate the glassware. And so I did, using items from the thrift store and a metallic spray paint, a mixture of water and vinegar. I was using items that I already had on hand. I decided to dress up my table for the Christmas season, and I'm really loving it. I'm going to start with these three votives. I paid $1 for all three of them. It has this really nice metallic emblem and a cross on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave the cross on there. I only purchased it because it was red. I picked this item up from the thrift shop for 48 cents. I picked up this vase for $1. I paid 24 cents for this and 24 cents for this one as well. Ooh, I hope I don't break them. I paid 50 cents for this, 48 cents for that one. I paid $1 for this one. And then this one was new, and I picked it up at the Dollar Club for $1.29. In this DIY, I am trying to achieve a Pottery Barn sparkly Mercury look on the inside of these ruby red glassware. And it's the little spread that they have in the e-catalog. And I thought I probably can make my own. These are the items I'm going to use. The metallic spray, white vinegar, and water. And what I did is I put 2 parts of vinegar, 1 part water in this empty spray container that I had on hand. So let me get started. They weren't the color I wanted, so I'm just going to spray them on the outside as well. So I would like to thank Christina for hosting this challenge, and I'll be linking below her channel and also the playlist so that you can go to her channel and then onto the playlist and watch everyone's videos. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Merry Christmas!